In this video, we're going to look at how to find law journal articles using the Heinonline Law Journal Library. So we're going to start at the library research page and use the catalog here. We're going to change this to e-resource name because we know the resource that we want to use is the Heinonline Law Journal Library. So we'll type that into the catalog, do a search, and the record comes up here. This is within our catalog, the record for the Law Journal Library. Click on that link right there and that will take you into the Law Journal Library. Keep in mind that if you are off campus, then you will be asked to log in with your UARC ID and password. So this is what the interface looks like for the Heinonline Law Journal Library. You'll notice that the search box here is very basic. You can go to the advanced search. We're going to do just a basic search here. Now look at your options for searching. You'll notice from the drop-down menu there is no option for a subject search. That makes searching the Law Journal Library a little bit tedious sometimes. You're either going to find a whole lot of information or very little information. We're going to do a text search for urban agriculture. Let's pretend that for this particular assignment we're looking to do a literature review on the topic of urban agriculture. There's been a lot of interest in this topic over the last few years, so we'll put in urban agriculture, and I'm going to put that in quotes because we are looking for that exact phrase. And doing a text search it's what's called a keyword search. We're searching the full text of all of the articles for this particular phrase. If I hit search, okay, so our list of results come up here, and right now it is sorted by relevance. I want to sort it by date descending so I can get the most recent articles on top, redisplay the results, and you'll see that we get 177 matches of the phrase urban agriculture within the Law Journal Library, and it's displaying the first 25 here. These that are pink, these are ones that are, as it says there, full text not currently available in Heinonline. So the full text of this article is not available. The others that are not pink, these are ones that you will find the full text. Why would you not find the full text in the database? Probably these are very recent articles, and many times the publishers will prevent them from being published electronically for a period of time after their publication. You'll see this is 2013 to 2014. This one's 2014. So these are very recent articles that the publisher has not yet allowed to be published full text on Heinonline. Let's pick just one of these. One thing that you'll want to do is take note of the particular journals. This is the Vermont Journal of Environmental Law. This is a good way to begin to see what are the law journals that are publishing on this particular topic. William & Mary Environmental Law and Policy Review. You'll want to start to become familiar with these periodicals. Also the authors, you'll see some of the same authors publishing on this topic over and over and again. We're going to choose one of these just so you can see what the interface looks like. And so it comes up with the PDF reader. One thing to take note of in Heinonline is that any citation is hyperlinked. So if this article is also available in Heinonline, it is hyperlinked within the notes. So it's highlighted there. If you click on that, that's going to open up the citation. So that's a handy way of finding the sources that this particular author used for his article. So that could be a way of extending your research. Let's do a couple other types of searches. I'm going to go back to my search box here. Let's try an author search. Now, one person who has published extensively, who is also a graduate of the LLM program, is Cassie Peters, or Catherine Peters, and I'm going to do just a search for her name. We're going to put in Peters, Catherine. I'm not going to put this one in quotes because there are various forms of her name. As I said, she sometimes goes by Cassie, and also sometimes you'll see her middle initial listed. So we just want to put in the basic name. We're not going to put it in quotes. Hit search, and you'll see the various articles that come up, and she's written pretty extensively since she's graduated on urban agricultural issues, and they are sorted now here by what they're calling relevance. Now that's probably a different Kathy Peters. Let's choose one of these. What I want you to see in this search, we looked at how the articles are hyperlinked that the article cites. In this case, we want to see articles that cite this document. So these are articles published since the publication of this one that have cited Cassie's article. We'll click on that link, and that will bring up all the articles that have used her article. So this can be a good way of finding what is the discussion on this particular topic. What are people saying about it? What are they writing about it? How has the issue developed? And you'll see we get 15 of 15 matches. So 15 articles have cited Professor Peters' article. I'm going to do one more search. We go back to the home page. This time we're going to do another text search for a term of art. If we're looking for articles on urban agriculture, another buzzword, a term of art would be locavore. So I'm going to put locavore in there, hit search. And so in this case we get 46 matches. I'm going to choose one of these from the Utah Environmental Law Journal. And again, you note that we've got the hyperlinks there. We've got the articles that cite this. Also cases that cite this. If there are any cases cited within the article, you could click on that and find them. The last thing I want to show you are ways of either printing or saving this particular article. So one thing that you can do is click on the print download options, and this will let you save the article as a PDF to your desktop. You can also then print it if you're so inclined, if you need the print. You can also copy the URL, and note, as I pointed out, that the URL starts with that 0-, ends with library.uark.edu. This means that you are accessing through the proxy server, so you can access this article off campus. You could then copy that link and save it so you would have instant access to the article later.